How to set up all-in-one SEO pack plugin. When people think about search engine optimization and WordPress, their mind often jumps directly to Yoast SEO. After all, it's the most popular SEO plugin for WordPress. But is it the only good option? Not at all, and you should definitely get to know the competition. In this case, that's all-in-one SEO pack. This plugin is downloaded more than 30 million times since 2007, and it's actively installed on more than 1 million WordPress websites. As its name gives away, this is an all-in-one SEO solution for users of all skill levels. Here are some key features. Support XML sitemaps, includes support for Google Analytics and Google Accelerated Mobile Pages (AMP), comes with its own built-in API, integrates with WooCommerce, generates meta tags automatically, and includes some WordPress performance tweaks. This plugin is free with a premium counterpart that costs $79 a year for an unlimited site license. The premium version does include a few added perks, such as priority support, access to video tutorials, advanced Google Analytics options, and additional social media integration. However, the free version is quite good and is the product this video is based on. Let's start with learning how to set up all-in-one SEO pack. Knowing the plugin's basic features is not enough to compare to Yoast SEO, so we are going to walk through its basic setup. After installing the plugin, you'll find a new all-in-one SEO tab in the WordPress admin area sidebar menu. The vast majority of the settings that you will interact with while using the plugin are right on this screen. Each setting includes a question mark link on the left, which leads to plugin documentation. It means help is a click away if you aren't sure about some setting. As for forcing your site to load over HTTPS if you have a certificate, go for it. Now we continue to talk about homepage, title, and custom post types settings. Homepage settings appear below the general settings and can be used to set your homepage title, description, and keywords. Things get more interesting once we move into the title settings section. Here, you can determine specific settings for all your WordPress content. We recommend sticking to the default unless you prefer a different title style. If so, remember to update every field accordingly to remain consistent. The Custom Post Types section enables you to turn SEO options on or off for any kind of post. If there are any type of post where you don't see yourself doing any SEO work, feel free to turn those off. After the Custom Post Type settings, you'll find a variety of self-explanatory settings you can use to verify your site with search engines, exclude specific posts and pages from search engine indexing, and additional advanced fine-tuning options. The last section of the general settings is the keyword settings section. Within this section, you can enable or disable the use of meta keywords. If you do enable keywords, you also have the option to use your categories and tags as meta keywords, and to generate keywords automatically. Miscellaneous settings. On top of the optimization capabilities, this plugin also offers a few general performance tweaks for your WordPress website. You can find this by going to Performance Settings. Available options include an option for modifying your memory limit, which may get overridden, so we recommend doing it manually. Raising the execution time to prevent timeouts, and forcing rewrites so plugins and themes won't override your title settings. If you've used Yoast SEO, you'll already be familiar with the process of editing page titles and descriptions. With this plugin installed, a new admin meta box will be added to the post editor, and you can use it to craft a custom title and description for each post and page. At this point, you may find yourself wondering about elements such as Open Graph integration and XML sitemaps. All-in-One SEO Pack does not set up these features by default. However, they can be enabled by going to Feature Manager settings. Additional features available in the Feature Manager include support for custom robots.txt files, a settings import and export tool, and a bad bots blocker. All-in-One SEO Pack does a fantastic job as a comprehensive SEO tool that's great for both beginners and more advanced users.